What's going on with y'all? I want to give y'all a real quick update when it comes to the Valvoline Restore and Protect. I went ahead and got an oil change today. Just like I did before, I'm going to roll in 2 video clippings. We'll come back to the table, do a quick little discussion. That'll be the end of the video. So let me roll in them 2 clips right now. Alright, we are going to go ahead and get this Valvoline Restore and Protect up out of the 2013 Lexus ES350. I think that Valvoline Restore and Protect did everything that it needed to do. I'm kind of scared to mess around with that. So after the second oil change, I'm on the second oil change now. We go ahead, we dumping it out at 298 miles. So that gives me about a total of approximately about 600 miles with the Restore and Protect in there. I think after 600 miles, that's enough to do whatever little cleaning needed to be done. That's enough to go ahead and get it done. I don't want to play around with that stuff. So what we're going with is this right here. The Pennzoil High Mileage. Correction, the Pennzoil Platinum High Mileage. Full synthetic. That's what we're going with right there. And we're going back to the Perlator Boss oil filter. Yep, so that's what we're going to do right there. I don't really want to play around with that Valvoline Restore and Protect. Whatever needed to be cleaned, it got cleaned. I feel confident that this vehicle probably had nothing but full synthetic in it because the 2 previous owners did an excellent job in keeping this car up. And it's coming from out of Florida, and with the mileage that was on it, more than likely there was some older people who just used it back and forth to work, so they kept their car up. So I got a good one. So whatever little cleaning needed to be done, we got it done. Let's go ahead and get that Platinum High Mileage Pennzoil up in there. I'll see if they can give me the filter like they did at the other Valvoline, and we'll go to the house and examine the filter. And this is where I go ahead and do the voiceover portion. As you can see, that's what that oil looks like. 298 miles. That's what that oil looked like. Black. 298 miles. So like I'm about to say in the final portion of this video, don't play around with this stuff. I wouldn't leave it in there for 300 miles. I'll do 4 applications. If you really want to get it clean, leave it in there for 300 miles each application and get it up out of there. Don't play around with it, because that's what it's doing in 300 miles. Look at the color of that oil. So as you can see, mostly everything that I have to say, I've already said during them video clippings. The most important thing to take away from this, do not play around with that Valvoline Restore and Protect. This is something that I noticed. The first time I put it in the vehicle, once it got to 300 miles, I started noticing that the vehicle was driving, for a better lack of words, let's say sluggish. That's why I got it changed out at, what, 383 miles or something like that. The second time I put the oil change in there, at the mileage that you've seen, what, 280, it started, once again, driving a little bit sluggish. So, when it comes to that Valvoline Restore and Protect, put it in there, 300 miles, let it do what it got to do, change it out. You don't want to ride with that in your vehicle for an extended period of time. Now, this is the oil filter from the second oil change, and once again, just like the other oil filter, no big debris, sludge, nothing like that. I don't see any debris in the filter, and this is the Valvoline filter. This time I went back with the Perlator Boss filter to go with the Pennzoil Platinum High Mileage. So yeah, I just wanted to update y'all on that. Please, do not play around with that Valvoline Restore and Protect. It really is cleaning stuff inside of your engine, and you really don't want that stuff just floating around inside of your engine. And another thing is too, if you're going to go with the Valvoline Restore and Protect treatment, do it during the summertime. Don't do it during the wintertime like I did, because I probably could have got a little bit more out of that oil if I would have did it during the summertime. Since it's real cold down here in Tennessee, that's going to make the oil a little bit thicker than it's supposed to be. Even though it's 0W20, the cold is still going to thicken that oil up. So if you're going to use that Valvoline Restore and Protect, do it during the summertime and don't leave it in your vehicle for an extended period of time. Y'all be blessed, be safe, I'm out.